Dolphy, the world's smallest washing device that cleans your clothes with the power of ultrasonic technology. Dolphy is just the size of a smartphone, perfectly portable to fit in any bathroom or travel luggage. Using advanced ultrasonic cleaning technology, Dolphy carefully cleans even the most delicate fabrics without damaging or discoloring, ever. How does it work? It's amazingly simple. Just put your clothes in any sink or waterproof container. Add water, detergent, put Dolphy inside, then switch the device on. You'll see Dolphy glowing blue as it softly cleans your clothes. It works like magic. After about 30 minutes, your clothes are clean and fresh. Rinse them, hang them out to dry. The heart of the device, a powerful transducer, creates and emits ultrasonic waves that are multi-mode, wideband, and progressive. These precisely modulated sound waves travel through water and form microscopic high-pressure bubbles. This process is called cavitation. The tiny bubbles then implode, creating millions of microjet liquid streams. Those invisible yet powerful streams safely wash away all the dirt from the fabric.